everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to make a name logo in Picsart. To make a name logo in Picsart, the first thing to do is to open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. After signing into your Picsart account, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the top left and then select a picture that you'd like to add on your project. You can select a picture from your device's camera roll or simply click on the background option at the top right and choose a solid background or any backgrounds from the list. After choosing your background type or choosing a suitable canvas, click on the text button at the bottom of the screen from the editing page. Type in your name and choose a font that matches your desired logo style, and then select the alignment according to your liking from the left-hand side menu. After aligning your text to your liking, click on the tick mark at the top right and then select your font style. Adjust its size by dragging the corners of your text layer on the screen and place it on your desired location. Select the color for your text by tapping the color option. Choose the color from Color tab, Gradient or Texture, and once you create the title, you can then click on Highlight option at the bottom and highlight your text. Experiment with different effects such as shadows, outlines, strokes, etc. Save your logo in your desired format and you will be good to go. So that is how you will be able to create name logo in Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.